I gotta reply to Addie's text. What should I do?
Be chill.
What?
Send her an emoji.
Okay, be cool.
Welcome to the secret world inside your phone, where emojis like me work and live. Here, each of us does one thing, and we have to nail it every time.
Incoming text! We are go for meh.
Who, me?
What's he doing?
He's making the wrong face!
What is that?
I've got to get this phone fixed.
This has never happened before. And now Alex has made an appointment to wipe out his phone.
If Alex deletes the phone, our whole world gets wiped out.
I'm not gonna run away from this. I made a mistake, but I'm gonna fix it.
I think we can make things right. We just have to go to a place where no emoji has gone before.
The cloud?
I know a shortcut through some apps.
But no one's ever left our city, and they'll send bots after us!
What is this place?
The greatest place ever!
Candy Crush.
I'm never eating another piece of candy again.
High five, don't do it. Don't you do it. It's already been in there once.
We've got to distract the bots.
I've got an idea!
Oh, snap.
We're running out of time before the phone gets wiped. We need to guess the master password.
Access denied.
This might take a while.
Wait, what?
Access denied.
Justin! We're gonna have to dance our way out.
Everybody can dance.
See? Can't...